students. Welcome to the another session, and this is going to be working session on the tangents and normals. So you've already learned the concepts of tangents and normal, which is basically concept-wise very simple, but lot of applications are needed in this chapter. Okay, so this chapter internally linked with application of derivatives, it's linked with the conic section, it's linked with the geometry, and it's also linked with differential equation. The first question is y is equal to x square. Imagine that this curve is, so y is equal to x square curve will be like this. Now, this curve is dragged to uh, alpha a unit. So the curve is going to be like this. In this situation, what is the angle between? So if this point is a comma 0, you should know this one as y is equal to x minus a whole square, because the vertex is a comma 0. So where this is intersecting, and you need to find the angle between these two. So the curve is y is equal to x square, and next one is y is equal to x minus a whole square. Where these two are intersect. So one is x is equal to x minus a, from here equating, or x is equal to a minus x. So the point is a by 2. X is equal to a by 2, y square is a by 4. So if I want to find m1, so from here slope m1 will come dy by dx is equal to 2x, that is a by 2. And from here differentiation m2 will come 2 times of x minus a, so that is minus y by 2. So M1 is equal to A, M2 is equal to minus A. Angle between these two is equal to tan theta is equal modulus of M1 minus M2 by M1 minus M2 by, okay, 1 plus M1 M2 total modulus. So what is the answer you will be getting? Tan theta is equal to 2 mod a by modulus of 1 minus a square. Next question, the equation of the tangent to the curve at 1 comma 10. So you look at the curve as x1, in place of x1 you write 1, plus y coefficient is only 1 is there. So you write half of y plus y1 minus 7 is equal to 4x 2 times of x plus 1. So this x will be transferred this side, 2x minus x. So 1 by 2y plus 5 minus 7. So 2 is equal to, this value will be equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 times of x plus 4. So the answer is y is equal to 2x plus 8. Yeah, you can try what is dy by dx and then substitute, or you can go ahead with this one, there is no problem. Equation of the normal to this point at the point. So you should know your conic section properly. This equation is x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So any parametric point on this one is 3 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. So he is saying P is 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 means cos of 7 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. and sine 7 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2. So area of this one, sorry, equation of the normal they are asking. Okay. So if you know the conic section part directly, the equation of the normal is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. You also having the property that ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Or at this point, you differentiate and find the normal equation, fine. But as at this level, we need to remember this one directly. A is 3x by 1 by root 2 minus 2y by minus 1 by root 2. A square minus b square is 7. A square is 9 minus b square is 4. Sorry, this value is 5. So answer is 3 root 2x plus 2 root 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. If theta is the angle between two curves, then what is the... So you have a circle x square plus y square is equal to 5 and you have y square is equal to 4x. Because the curve is symmetric about x-axis, okay, so this angle is going to be same, so you need not worry. So what is this point of intersection? The point of intersection is, okay, so y square is equal to 4x. So it is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus plus 5 is equal to 0. But x is negative, not possible. Okay, x is negative, not possible. So you will be getting x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to, y square is equal, so y is equal to 2. So this point is 1 comma minus. Now, what is the thing you need? I need the angle between these. So, what is the slope of this one? So, curve is y square is equal to 4x and the curve is x square plus y square is equal to 5. So, from here, 2y dash is equal to 4. So, m1 is equal to 4 by 2 into y value is 2 is equal to 1. And from here, 2x plus 2y dash is equal to 0. So m2 is equal to minus x by y is equal to, what is the thing? Minus 1 by 2. Now tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, which is equal to 3. So what is the answer you are going to get? Tan theta is equal to... Moving to the next question, consider two family of curves y square is equal to 4ax is a parameter and x square plus y square by 2 is equal to c square, where c is also arbitrary. So as a is changing, you'll get different parabolas. As c is changing, you'll get different circles. If one curve from each family is chosen, then the angle between these two curves is equals to. So y square is equal to 4ax. So from here, 2y dash is equal to 4a. So from here, m1 is equal to 2a by y. And the next one is x square plus y square by 2 is equal to c square. So from here, 2x plus 2y dash by 2 is equal to 0. So from here, you'll be getting m2 is equal to minus 2x by y. Okay. Now, issue is the point of intersection of these two. You need to find the slope only at point of intersection. For example, x1, y1 is a point. So you'll get y1 square is equal to 4ax1. So from here, you look at here, m1, m2 is equal to 2a by y1 into minus 2x by y1 is equal to minus 4ax1 by y1 square. So the intersection point of these two satisfied. So if I take from here, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So angle between them is 90 degrees. Angle between them will be 90 degrees. The next question is the equation of the normal drawn to the curve y is equal to sin x at x is sin 3x at pi by 4. So simply you required y minus y1 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, so 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus pi by 4. So what is the m value? M is equal to derivative of sine 3x is 3 cos 3x and it's cos 3 pi by 4 at x is equal to pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is minus 3 by root 2. So this is y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2 by 3 into x minus pi by 4. So this one will becomes this side. But you look at here, y is equal to root 2 by 3 into x minus pi by 4 plus 1 by root 2. So where it is, either this one or this one. Okay. So you look at further simplification. Okay. Here plus sign is here, minus sign. So root 2 by 3 common x plus this value is minus root 2 pi by 12 plus 1 by root 2. So you need to take the minus pi common. So coefficient of pi is minus. Where coefficient of pi is plus, coefficient of pi negative. So I'll go ahead with this option. Angle between the two curves at any point where they intersect in the fourth quadrant. Why? This is a ellipse. This is the hyperbola. Both are going to intersect in 2 points, but they are asking fourth quadrant. So 2x square plus y square is equal to 20. First step, what we are supposed to do? Find the angle between them and minus x square. Multiply with 2 minus 2x square plus 8y square is equal to 60. Value will be kept. 9y square is equal to 9y square is equal to 36. So y is equal to minus 2 because they said fourth quadrant. Y is equal to minus 2. If y is equal to minus 2, 2x square plus 4 is equal to 20. Value will be goes 2x square is equal to 16. Okay? 2x square is equal to 16. X square is equal x is equal to fourth quadrant 2 root 2. Okay? So the point P is 2 root 2 comma minus 2. Now I need the angle between them. 4x plus 2y dash is equal to 0. First curve I am taking. So m1 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So minus 2 into 2 2 dash by y value is minus 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. Now you take this curve equation. 8y dash, that is m2 minus 2x is equal to 0. 2 ones are 2 4. M2 is equal to x by, what is x value? X value is 2 root 2 by 4y is minus 8, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so these are the two things. So what is the angle between them? It is 90 degrees. But actually, if you replace this equation into the standard form, x square by 10 plus y square by 20 is equal to 1. And this equation is y square by 2 minus x square by 8 is equal to 1. If these two are, okay, confocal, means actually there is a property like this. If they are confocal, if they are confocal, automatically they are mutually perpendicular. Okay, look at here. Here a square is equal to 2, b square is equal to 8. Here a square is equal to 20, b square is equal to. So if they are confocal, they are always mutually perpendicular. That we'll study in the conic section. Straight away we can say this is going to be 90 degrees. We can say that is equal to 90 degrees. Very simple. Here b a square minus b square. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Here a square plus b square is 10. So directly we can say they are orthogonal. They are orthogonal. X1, X2 are natural numbers if a line having slope 2 is a tangent to this one. At X1, what is this? So simply dy by dx is equal to 2. If a line having the slope 2 is a tangent to the curve at the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. So what is this one? Dy by dx. 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. So this equation is 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 12 is equal to 0. Further simplification, maybe what you'll get it is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 13x minus 6 is equal to 0. So how many roots are possible? So there exist three roots, but they are talking about two of them should be natural numbers. Okay, so you need to identify the roots of this particular equation. Minus 9 minus 6 minus 15. So x is equal to 1 is the root. So synthetic division 2 minus 9, 13 minus 6. X is equal to 1 is the root. 0, 2. It will be minus 7. Minus 7, 6. 6 will be 0. So this is x minus 1 into 2x square minus 7x plus 6. So again, here you need to look at what are the roots. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. From here you can take 2x common. So this is 2x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the roots are x is equal to 1, x is equal to, and x is equal to 3 by 2. So I am not going to consider this one. X1 is equal to 1, and what is y1? Y1 is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 13 minus 10 plus 5. You will get the value. What is y2? X is equal to, that is 16 minus 48 plus 452 minus 20 plus 5. Just substitute, you are going to get the answer for this. So to solve this question, you require quadratic equations and theory of equations concept also. Moving to the, so what is the answer you are going to get? 17 you will be getting. The tangent of the angle between the curves xy is equal to 1 and x square plus 8y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 by x. So slope m1 is equal to minus 1 by x square. 8 to y is equal to minus x square. Slope is equal to 8m2 dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. So m2 is equal to minus x by 4. Okay. Now where these two are intersecting, x square plus 8y, instead of y you write by x is equal to 0. So clearly x cube is equal to minus 8, x is equal to minus 2. So m1 is equal to minus 1 by 4, m2 is equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to modulus of minus 3 by 2 by 7 by 8. So 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 7 is the answer. Answer is 6 by 7. The slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to tan h inverse of. So derivative of tan h inverse of x, derivative is 1 by root of 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 by 1 minus x. So here derivative of tan h inverse is 1 by 1 minus sin square x into derivative of sin inverse of x is cos. So is equal to 1 by cos x. At x is equal to pi, answer should be equal to minus 1. Answer should be equal to minus 1. Next question is angle between two curves x square minus y square is equal to 4. Rectangular hyperbola is this and this one. So already I told you if the equation is like x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Next one is x square by alpha square minus y square by beta square is equal to 1. For example, if a square minus b square is equal to alpha square plus beta square, they are called as the confocal. They are at right angle. So if you look at here, x square by 4 root 2 plus y square by 4 root 2. So here a square plus b square. So that value is not satisfying. So it is not pi by 2 actually. Okay. So I'm resolving this question. So angle between two curves. Simple. Let us add these two. What you are going to get. When you add up these two, 2x square is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2. Subtract 1 from other, 2y square is equal to 4 root 2 minus 4. Because if I want to find the angle between them, so x square is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So from this one, 2x minus 2y dash is equal to 0. So m1 is equal to x by y. And if I take this one, 2x plus 2y dash is equal to 0. So m2 is equal to minus x by y. Okay. So what is the angle between them? So tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 x square by y. So this is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square is equal to 4 anyway. Okay. So from here you are getting x square is this one, y square is equal to 2 root 2 minus 2. From here x square y square is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So xy is equal to 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is equal to pi by 4. The answer is equal to pi by 4. The length of the line segment of the tangent line to the curve x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t at any point on the curve cut off by the coordinate axis. So this is the tangent you are going to get. They are asking what is this length? Okay. So let us write the tangent equation first. Y minus a sin cube t is equal to slope of the tangent dy by dx. So this is 3a sin square t. Derivative of sin t is cos t by dx by dt minus 3a cos square t into sin t into x minus a cos cube t. So 3a cancel, sin cancel, cos cancel. So y minus a sin cube t is equal to minus tan theta into x minus a cos cube t. So find out the x-intercept here. X-intercept is equal to substitute y is equal to 0. You'll get the x value and substitute y is equal, x is equal to 0, y value you'll get. Hence you'll get the answer. Otherwise also you can also write this equation as instead of tan theta, simply I will make it as sin t by cos t. So I will write it as x sin t, transferring this side, plus cos t. So y cos t is equal to, this value will be a sin t cos t. Here cos square and here sin square. It will be like this. So clearly what is this one? X by a cos t plus y by a sin t is equal to 1. Length of the segment will be equals to a. That value is going to be a. If the slope of the tangent of the curve y is equal to ax cube plus bx plus 4 at 2 comma 4 is 21. So first of all at 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 should be point on this one. 2 comma 14, sorry. 14 is equal to 8a plus 2b plus 4. So 8a plus 2b is equal to 10. 4a plus b is equal to 5. Next one is slope. 3ax square plus b at 2 is equal to 21. So 4, 12a plus b is equal to 21. 4a plus b is equal to 5. So from here, 8a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. Then they are asking 2 comma minus 3 is the answer. So tangent, it means this point must be on the line or curve. The angle between two curves X square is equal to 8y, xy is equal to 8. So if you look at this curve is going to be like this, and this curve is like this. So this is the point of intersection. X square is equal to 8 into instead of y, 8 by x. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So 2x is equal to 8m1, first curve. Second curve is m2 is equal to minus 8 by x square. In both the places, I need to write x is equal to 4. So it is m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So tan theta is equal to x square 2x is equal to 8y. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 2 by 1 m1 minus m2 by m1 m2 is modular. Okay, clear. If I want to find the acute angle. Okay, so this answer is going to be tan inverse of 3. Actually, modulus acute angle is 3 is getting. Next one is minus 3 only. Okay, so here this angle and this. So you can take this or this one. There is no problem. Okay, so you look at here. This is the positive slope and this is the negative slope. Angle between you can take. This is minus 3. Anything is okay. Next question is the equation of the family of curves for which the length of the subnormal at any point is always equals to k. So which is that length of the so length of the subnormal. What is the length of the subnormal? Length of subnormal is equal to length of subnormal is equal to y1 into dy by dx. It's always constant. So if you take the first curve, y1 is equal to 4a. If you take the second curve, y1 is equal to 2k. Third one is, oh, this is 2y1. Sorry. I'm repeating again. So the family of curve for which length of subnormal is y into y dash is equal to length of subnormal. So y dash is equal to first curve y dash is equal to 4a by 2y. So here y dash is equal to 2a. So instead of 2a, if you take this one, what is this one? 2y dash is equal to 2k. 2 to cancel. So you are getting y dash is equal to k length up. So the answer is B. The answer is B. M is the slope of the tangent to the curve at x is equal to 1. So what is the M value? At x is equal to 1. So e power y into m dy by dx, I'm writing m, is equal to 2x. So a power y is equal to 1 comma 1, x is equal to 1, you substitute 2. So this value 2 into m is equal to 2 because x is equal to 1. Cancel. So m is equal to 1. What is the value of m? M is equal to 1. Next question is the equation of the tangent to the curve. So what is actually this curve? This curve is a rectangle. This curve is a rectangle. But only we will be taking positive portion of this because this is 2x square plus y square is equal to 9. Equation of the tangent where the ordinate and abscissa are equal. equation of the tangent where abscissa and ordinate is same. So abscissa means x1, y1. So x is equal to y. So 3x square is equal to 9. X square is equal to 3. So I need to find the tangent at x is equal to root 3, y is equal to root 3. So I need to find a tangent at root 3 comma root 3. So this equation. So the equation is x square by 9 by 2 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. If you take the ellipse and write the tangent here, okay, will be helpful. Okay, so what is that one? X1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. So 2x plus y is equal to root 3 cancel is equal to 3 root 3. So the answer is A. So I'm not using any differential calculus. I'm going for the ellipse part. Because you take this one and dy by dx and find out substitute this one and write the equation, there's no problem. But when it is directly available, we can go ahead. The number of tangents to the curve which passes through the point 1 comma 2. So what is how many tangents are possible? Passes through 1 comma 2. So this 1 comma 2 is not a point on this one. If you look at here, 4 minus 2 minus 8 plus 8. No. So you let us write any tangent to this one. So what is this one? 2y dash minus 6x square minus 4y dash is equal to 0. So from here, 2, 3, this one. So y minus 2 into y dash is equal to 3x square. So slope is equal to 3x1 square by y1 minus 2. So any tangent to this one is y minus y1 is equal to m into 3x1 square by y1 minus 2 into x minus x1. This is the tangent passing through 1 comma 2. Passing through 1 comma 2. So what happened? 2 minus y1 into y1 minus 2 is equal to 3x1 square into 1 minus x1. So this is 3x1 square minus 3x1 cube. This value transfer plus y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. If x1, y1 is a point on this one, y1 square minus 2x1 cube minus 4y1 plus 8 must be equal to 0. So if I take 4y1 square minus 4y1 plus 4 is there. So this value is equals to what happens? 2x1 cube minus 8. Sorry, minus 4. So if you take this one, 3x1 square minus x1 cube minus 4 is equal to 0. So x1 cube minus 3x1 square plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the m value? Clearly x1 is equal to 2. 8 plus, okay, x1 is equal to this one. If x1 is equal to this one, are there any other points are there? So x1 minus 2 into what about the other things? 3x1 square minus 2. Okay, so x1 cube only. Okay, and it is minus 2x1 square minus x1. So what are the values are there? So x1 square minus x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to minus 1. Is it possible? X1 is equal to minus 1 possible. x1 is equal to 2. So you are going to get, okay, what are the values? You will be getting actually the points are x1 is equal minus 1. If x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 square minus 4y1. This value is equal minus 1. So you are getting plus 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. So will you get the real root? No real root. But x1 is equal to 2, you will be getting. Typically, when you are solving this one, you will be getting minus 1 and 2. But for minus 1, x is equal minus 1, no root is possible. So only one tangent is possible. That too at x is equal to 2. If two curves y is equal to a power x, y is equal to b power x intersect, yeah. If two curves y is equal to a power x, y is equal to b power x intersect at angle of alpha, what is tan alpha? So m1 is equal to a power x into log a. m2 is equal to b power x log a. Now if they are intersecting, obviously a power x is equal to b power x. They are intersecting. So tan theta is equal to, take a power x comma log a minus log b by. So I'm repeating this question again. I'm repeating. So if the two curves y is equal to a power x, y is equal to b power x intersects at angle of alpha, then tan alpha. So if they are intersecting means first of all, a power x is equal to b power x. First point. Okay. The next one is m1 is equal to a power x log a and m2 is equal to b power x log b. So tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2. So take a power x common log a minus log b by 1 plus a power x whole square into log a log b. So this is tan alpha. So what is the further simplification you are going to do? So I have a power x is equal to b power x. A power x is equal to b power x. So how you are going to do? Here a power x is there. 1 plus of this value. Okay. So this a power x, is there any chance of elimination? Is there any chance of it? Because you look at here, log a minus log b by 1 plus log a log b is there. Here log a plus log b by 1 minus log a log b is there. Pi by 4 and pi by 2. So pi by 4 and pi by 2 cannot be possible. But here a power x is equal to b power x. What is the possibility? A power x is equal to b power x is equal to 1. So so m1 is this one. Yeah, there is some, seems to be some printing error. A power x is equal to b power x. Intersect at an angle of. So please delete this question. Delete this question. Next question is, if the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is normal to the curve xy is equal to 1. So xy is equal to 1. So that means dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square, which is slope is always negative. So slope of this line is minus a by b, should be negative. So a by b should be greater than 0. Okay. Now this is, they're talking about normal. They're talking about normal. This is the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is this one. So slope of the tangent is minus a by b. So slope of the normal is b by a. Slope of normal is b by a, should be less than 0. and cannot be equal to 0, right? So A and B should have opposite signs. So A negative, B negative will not work out. A positive, B negative will work out. So the answer is B. The answer is B. If the tangent to the curve 2x cube is equal to ax square plus x cube at the point A comma A cuts the intercepts of alpha and beta on coordinate axis. So here tangent equation, they are talking about the tangent only. So 6y square into m is the slope, is equal to 2ax plus 3x square. First of all, A comma A is a point, 2a cube, yes. Now, m is equal to 2a square plus 3a square, 5a square by 5 by 6. So, tangent equation is 5x minus 6y is equal to minus a. X-intercept is minus a by 5 plus y-intercept is minus a by 6 whole square is equal to 61. A square times of 61 by 25 into 36 is equal to 1. So mod A is equal to 30. What is the answer? Mod A is equal to 30. So the next question is any point x comma y on the curve if the length of the subnormal is x minus 1. Length of the subnormal. Okay. So what is the length of the subnormal? So y into dy by dx is equal to x minus 1. So y dy is equal to x minus 1 dx. So y square by 2 is equal to x minus 1 whole square by 2 plus c. This is passing through 1 comma 2. Substitute 1 comma 2 in this equation. So 4 by 2. 2 is equal to c. Because x is equal to 1, this value will be goes to 0. The equation is y square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus, okay, this value you write to 2 to the 4. So this is a rectangular hyperbola with the center is 1 comma 0 and the transverse axis is parallel to this. So center is 1 comma 0. This length is 2 units. So this is 1 comma minus 2. This is 1 comma, sorry, 1 comma plus 2, 1 comma minus 2 is the vertex. Read the question. Normal to this curve drawn at x comma 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to 2 e power 2x plus 2x. So slope of tangent is equal to x is equal to 0, value will be 2. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by 2. So having this much of slope and passing through 0 comma 1 is the line. So that is x plus 2y is equal to 2. X plus 2y is equal to 2. So what is the perpendicular distance from the origin? 2 by root 5 should be the answer. So I think they made a small mistake here. This should be 2 by root 5. Because dy by dx is equal to 2 e power 2x plus 2x. Substitute x is equal to 0. You'll get the slope of the tangent. I need the slope of the normal because these two are mutually perpendicular. Minus 1 by 2, having minus 1 by 2 and passing through 0 comma 1 is this line. Next question is the equation of the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos ht, y is equal to b sin ht at any point t is equation of the normal. So slope of the normal is equal to minus dx by dy. I'll repeat this question. So I need to find the equation of the normal to the curve with parametric form. Need slope of normal is equal to minus dx by dt. Sorry, minus dx by dy. Slope of tangent is dy by dx, slope of normal is this. So which is equal to minus dx by dt by dy by dt. Okay. So derivative of cos hx is sin hx. Derivative of sin hx is cos hx. So this is equal to a sin ht by b cos ht. This is the slope of the normal. Okay. So y minus b sin ht into, okay, or by this value, right? Sin ht b is equal to a into x minus a cos ht by cos ht. So this is by cosecant ht. This is equal to, okay, minus b square is equal to a x secant ht minus a square. So from here, you will be getting the answer. With this minus sign is there. So the minus sign comes here. So here minus of. So from here, you are going to get the equation of, what is the answer you will be getting? Ax secant ht plus by cosecant ht is equal to this. So here parametric form. So I went on doing minus dx by dy. Next question, find the equation normal to the curve at the point where it cuts the x-axis. So where this one cuts the x-axis, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 7. Okay. So I need to find y is equal to this one dy by dx. I need to find dy by dx. No, I now want the slope of the normal minus dx by dy. So y is equal to here x minus 7 by, I don't want to go for the u by v formula whole thing. Or you can try that one also. Or you can split into this one as a by x minus 2. So I'll repeat this question again. Find the equation of normal to the curve y is equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3, where it cuts the x-axis. So where cuts the x-axis means y is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 7. So I required minus dx by dy where x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 0. So look at here, I can go for dy by dx by doing this value is x minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square, and derivative of x minus 7 is 1. So this value will be x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus x minus 7 into derivative of the denominator. So x minus 2 into x minus 3. So that is x is 2x minus 5x minus 5. But this is immaterial because I'm going to find at x is equal 7, this value will be goes to 0. So dy by dx at x is equal to 7 will be equal to 5 into 4 by, okay, this is 5 into 4 whole square, so which is equal to 1 by 20. So slope of normal is equal to minus 20. So the line is 20x plus y passing through 0 comma 7 is equal to 140. So the answer is going to be this one. And here one important thing is maybe you can go for the verification also 0 comma 7, but only thing is 0 comma 7. This one 0 comma 7 only this point is satisfied. So directly you can mark the answer. Tangents are drawn to the curve y is equal sin x from the origin, locus of points of contact. So how this is actually sin x is also passing through the origin, how this is going to happen? If you are taking like origin, if you are drawing a tangent from here to here, this is the thing. Or from here to here, this is the tangent. So I want to find the locus. If I take this is x1, y1, this is 0, comma 0. So OP, slope of OP is y1 by x1 is equal to slope of this curve y is equal to this one at x1, y1 dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin x is cos at x1, y1. So you will write cos x1. So locus of x1, y1 is y by x is equal to cos x. So if I go ahead with y square by x square, cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. So this sin square x can be y square. So y square is equal to x square into 1 minus y square. Okay. So x square minus y square is equal to x square y square will be the answer for this question.